Hello guys, welcome to the last unboxing of the year. 2023 is gone and I'm going to unbox something that is very old and has the right name for it. It used to be a really nice name. You remember this? Durafly. One of the best brands when the famous were making these ones, and Hobby King was strong in the market. Okay. The manual, it's all moldy. I already got an allergy to this mold. I kept this one for at least 9 years. The manuals from Durafly were really good. These are all the additional decals for the tanks, for the detailing the fuselage and everything. Really nice. Some really good advice. Do not live in the sun for long periods of time, right? We know what happens, huh? We know that we start having the popcorn or gator skin. Look at this wing, huh? Well, although to our today's standards, we would say, okay, this is kind of rough, right? We have all of this very wide panel lines, porous paint, but for that time was really good. Still in good shape. Very good detailing on the guns. All the connectors done. Now we use just multi-connector, right? And you get everything in place. Look at this one, beautiful retracts. Small wheels. It's a perfect copy of the 1400 mm. Right. Comes with the fuel tanks. Right. Let's go for the fuel. So this is our blast from the past, the Old Crow. You will see that this already, the decals already peeling off. That's what happened even when it was new. The decals start to peel off. So I will have to do some treatment here before starting to fly, because I know these are going to peel off. Yeah, it happened to my friend Andy, and it's going to happen with this one. Alright, here is the cockpit. Nice pilot, not accurate, but nice, and some instruments there, and the batteries and the radio. Okay, good. It has a mechanical latch. Just to, it is not very accurate. It's not giving a very good closure. I need to check if I need to modify something here. Inside, this is supposed to be 3-cell, right? But also can fly with 4-cell. We tested already. Oh, look at this. How the state of the decal. We have to re-glue all these things. Right. But it's a really nice plane. This plane can fly with 2.2 up to 3.3 size battery, so 3,300 milliamp hour. Good space for the radio gear. What else? We have a scale prop, which is, if I'm not mistaken, is 8 by 6, if I'm not mistaken. FMS 10 by 6. 10 by 6. We have the tanks. Tanks are not scaled, right? Because we know that the Mustang tanks, the seam is not here, the seam is all around. But it can be modified already before. Here we have the elevators with the hardware. control with the control horns and screws and everything. Nice, crispy because of age. Beautiful parabolic spinner. This is really good scale detail. Very nice, pre-painted. Back plate and the screw. 2 screws, one for spare. Good. Always good. What else we have here? We have the exhaust stacks. 1 screwdriver, no longer included in the new kits versions, and of course the famous no glue because it's air flown. No, it's some bullshit they invented. Right? But this one is already dry, empty already. After 10 years, this glue is already gone. Exhaust stack, good to make some detailing. Make it more like a burn metal. The 2 supports for the wings, screws for the wings, always with spares. No longer provided with spares in the other brands. So, and what else? That tank, and that is all. So already full of dust. Keep posted. I will assemble this plane next year. It means tomorrow, and maybe by the weekend we are going to make it and revive our old days with Hobby King. Before our shipping companies became a cartel and jack up the prices by 250% and kill our good friend Hobby King. All right. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Happy New Year. Enjoy the rest of the day and have a very nice and very good flying time in 2024. See you next year.